In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill out 1099 NEC in TurboTax. To get started, sign into your TurboTax account and open the tax return you want to work on. Make sure you're in the correct return before moving forward, especially if you've started more than one. Once your return is open, you'll be ready to head into the income section where self-employment earnings are reported. Next, click Federal, and then choose Income from the left sidebar. This is the area where TurboTax organizes the different types of money you receive during the year. Since Form 1099 NEC is used to report non-employee compensation, you'll be entering it as part of your self-employment income. In the self-employment section, answer yes when TurboTax asks whether you had any self-employment income or expenses. This tells the program that you need to complete the business income portion of your return. If you did freelance work, independent contract work, or any kind of business activity reported on a 1099 NEC, this is the correct path. Continue through the introduction screens, and when prompted, enter the type of self-employment work you do. After that, keep going through the business setup questions. These questions help TurboTax categorize your work correctly and connect the income to the right business profile. Take your time here and make sure the information matches your actual work activity. Once that's done, review your business information carefully and click Continue. This is a good moment to double-check that everything looks accurate before entering the tax form details. On the screen that says, "Let's enter the income for your work," select Form 1099 NEC for non-employee compensation, and then click Continue. This tells TurboTax exactly which type of income document you're adding. Now, enter the payer information and the amounts shown on your Form 1099 NEC. It's important to copy the details exactly as they appear on the form, so your return stays consistent with what was reported to the IRS. Go slowly and verify each field as you enter it. After that, review everything you entered and continue through the remaining income questions. TurboTax may ask a few follow-up questions to make sure the income is recorded properly, so just answer each one based on your situation. Finally, confirm that your Form 1099 NEC income has been added to your self-employment income summary. This final check helps you make sure the form was entered successfully and included in the correct section of your return. Thanks for watching.